A data breach can have a devastating impact on a business, causing damage to its reputation, financial losses, and even legal consequences. It is important for companies to have a plan in place to respond to a data breach in order to minimize the damage and protect sensitive information. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to respond to a data breach. Step 1. Contain the breach. The first step in responding to a data breach is to contain it as quickly as possible. This involves shutting down any systems that may have been compromised, disconnecting from the network, and isolating any devices that may have been affected. Step 2. Investigate the breach. Once the breach has been contained, the next step is to conduct a thorough investigation to determine the scope of the breach and identify the cause. This may involve reviewing system logs, interviewing employees, and consulting with cybersecurity experts. Step 3. Notify affected individuals and stakeholders. It is important to inform affected individuals and stakeholders as soon as possible. This includes customers, employees, and regulators. Companies should have a clear and concise plan for communicating the breach and providing updates to affected individuals and stakeholders. Step 4. Assess the damage. Next, companies should assess the damage caused by the breach. This includes determining what information was accessed and by whom, as well as any financial losses that may have resulted from the breach. Step 5. Implement corrective measures. Once the damage has been assessed, it is important to implement corrective measures to prevent a similar breach from happening in the future. This may include upgrading security systems, improving employee training, and reviewing policies and procedures. Step 6. Monitor for ongoing threats. Finally, it is important to monitor for ongoing threats and to be vigilant for any signs of further breaches. Companies should also review their response plan and make any necessary updates to ensure that they are prepared for future breaches. In addition to these steps, companies should also consider the following best practices for responding to a data breach. 1. Have a breach response plan in place. A well-designed breach response plan should outline the steps to be taken in the event of a breach, as well as who is responsible for each step. 2. Stay informed. Stay up to date on the latest trends and technologies in cybersecurity, as well as any changes in regulations that may impact your company. 3. Train employees. Employees should be trained on cybersecurity best practices and the steps they should take in the event of a breach. 4. Work with experts. In the event of a breach, it is important to work with cybersecurity experts who can provide support and guidance throughout the response process. 5. Regularly review and update your response plan. The threat landscape is constantly evolving, so it is important to regularly review and update your breach response plan to ensure that it remains effective. In conclusion, responding to a data breach requires a well-coordinated effort from all levels of the organization. By following these steps and best practices, companies can minimize the damage and protect sensitive information in the event of a breach. Regular training and planning are essential to be prepared in case of a breach, so make sure to invest in these critical elements of cybersecurity.